Belzona 3121 is a two-component emergency repair and waterproofing system for sealing all types of roof surfaces and roofing elements. Belzona 3121 is designed for instant waterproofing at all times of the year and even during adverse weather conditions. One of the key factors of a Belzona application is a thorough mix of two-component materials. In this video, we demonstrate how to mix small quantities of Belzona 3121 by volume. For the mixing, you will need two components, base and solidifier, of Belzona 3121, a mixing container, and a spatula. First, remove the lid and set it aside. Using a clean spatula, scrape off material from the walls of the tin and thoroughly mix the base. Using a mixing container, measure 2.2 parts of Belzona 3121 base and 1 part of Belzona 3121 solidifier by volume. Thoroughly mix both components. Make sure to frequently scrape off the material from the walls of the container to achieve a uniform consistency free of any streaks. Once the mixed material turns into a uniform color with no streaks, it is ready for the planned application on gutters, glazing bars, joints, roofs, seams, and other roofing elements.